Happy Easter, everybody, from the Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. And I was in the radio room earlier. I worked a few stations. Looks like we got a little bit of DX coming in here in this neck of the woods. So let's head up to the radio room and see if we can pull in some more stations. I just finished cleaning a couple of accommodations of ours. Wendy is at her friend's place visiting for Easter Sunday. So let's head up. This is one of our accommodations here, by the way. Magnolia Petal accommodation. It's pretty nice, actually. You come out into this tropical-like garden, and it's always like this year-round. This is about to bloom, this 30-foot laurel tree, man. It's gonna have so many fragrant flowers on it. It's crazy. So anyway, guys, I hope you're having a good Easter, and let's just see if we got some. DX coming in here. We should. I am beamed towards the southeast. I beamed towards Europe this morning, and nothing coming in from Europe, but lots coming in from the southeastern US. So for those of you that have just started tuning into this channel, RQTH is off the extreme southwest coast of British Columbia, out here on the southern Gulf Islands. So the same island archipelago is Washington State, San Juan Islands. We can actually see them from our island here. So, and it's a very unique part of Canada and what we can grow here, because the climate in the winter doesn't get as cold as the rest of Canada. So it's because of the Pacific Ocean around us. That's what it is. We got the offshore Japan current, and we also have the North Pacific current. So it's a great place if you like to garden. And annual rainfall is 3 cubic feet a year. So that's 36 inches a year. Annual rainfall, give or take. There's some areas here that get less. The outer Gulf Islands are even far less. We're in a rain shadow, right? So I'll just give you a little rundown here of what we have. When you're talking to me, there's the 3-element flat side Yagi, 26 foot to the boom. There's the back of my radio room, that shake building there. Shed beside it. So I have my e-bike and chainsaws and stuff, but that's the radio shack there. It's about 40 feet away from the house. And when you're talking to me, this is where I'm talking from, man. Here on this island off the southwest coast of British Columbia. There's a bunch of islands out here, only accessible by boat, all right? Only way you're gonna get here is by ferry boat. Usually about a 3-hour trip from the mainland, which is a terminal, ferry terminal, about, I guess, 20 miles, 20 miles south of Vancouver, something like that. Maybe it's 20 miles south of Vancouver. All right, let's go see what we can conjure up here in radio land. Yeah, what a place to be at this time of the year. Everything is just absolutely spectacular with blooms. So many blooms, so many palms. And like I say, you can come here any day of the year and it looks the same, right? And there's even flowers in the wintertime. We have hummingbirds in the wintertime. And just a whole bunch of good stuff here on these islands. Let's go this way through the side of the radio room so you can see what's going on. It's Wendy's, back of Wendy's gallery there, art gallery. So that's the side of the radio room here. It's just starting to rain. I feel some liquid sunshine. Well, Wendy wanted to go for a walk when she gets home, but I don't know if that's going to happen. That's okay. I want sun. I want rain. Good for the garden. Saves me watering. I've actually been watering. So anyway, into the radio shack, the man cave / radio shack. And let's just see if we can even pull a station or two here on the RCI 2980. CQDX, 9 Alpha Tango 791, 791 Gulf Islands in the North Pacific.
45, 47, 25, 47, 47.
Noisy out there today. CQDX, 791, 791 Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. We're QSX.
Roger that, Mr. 664. I got quite a few coming in right along with you. I'm going to wave a hand at you. Wish you 73s.
Maybe the conditions aren't that great. CQDX, CQ, 791, 791, Gulf Islands in the North Pacific, waving. CQDX, CQDX, 791, 791, Gulf Islands, North Pacific, standing by.
4 California, 194 California, 1775 Illinois, waving a hand.
Lots of people coming in, but nobody hearing me. How about a 1775 Illinois, 791, Gulf Islands, waving. Let's go to 39. Oh, man. CQDX, CQDX, 791, 791, Gulf Islands, North Pacific, QSX. Get on that channel. Yeah, 300, we hear you out there, 791, waving. Yeah, 300 Illinois, we got you up here on the Gulf Islands off the far Pacific coast of British Columbia, QSL. Yeah, you are there, 300, got a good copy on. You're the only one on this frequency. Sounding good, man. Happy Easter out there in Illinois. From 9 Alpha Tango, 791, Gulf Islands, North Pacific. And now he's gone. All right there, 300 Illinois. Cheers, man. 73s and happy DXing from 791 Gulf Islands. All right, let's go to another channel. Yeah, 362 Foxman. I hear you out there. UDX 362, Knoxville, Tennessee. 791 waving. Not the greatest conditions. That's Richie. Yeah, we hear you out there, Richie. Not the greatest conditions right now, but we're waving at you. 362 Foxman down there in Knoxville, Tennessee. Have a good one. 791 Gulf Islands. We kind of lost him. Pretty noisy, actually. CQDX, CQ, 791, 791, Gulf Islands, North Pacific on the side.
Roger that. Okay, 36 is a little too high up in
CQDX, CQ, 791, 791, Gulf Islands, North Pacific. And this is what it's like in the radio room, folks. CQDX, CQ, 791, trying 9 UDX, or 9 Alpha Tango, 791, Gulf Islands, North Pacific. Waving at you, man. Kind of got covered up in there. 791. Have a good day, my friend.
515 Arizona, 515 Arizona, 1775 Illinois. Waving a hand. Happy Easter, sir.
Not the greatest conditions. CQDX, CQ, 791, 791, Gulf Islands, North Pacific. How's this radio making it out? 791, 791, Gulf Islands, North Pacific, QSX. That's bad conditions. Quiet on that one. CQ, CQDX, CQ, 791, Gulf Islands, North Pacific. How about a 104 Razorback? 104, 791 Gulf Islands, North Pacific. All right there, 104 Arkansas. Have a good one, man. Have a happy Easter and happy DXing. From 9 Alpha Tango, 791 Gulf Islands. All right, cheers to you. 791 Gulf Islands, QSX. Well, you heard me. That's a good thing. CQDX, CQDX, 791, 791 Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. Yeah, we hear you out there, man. We're waving back at you. 791 Gulf Islands. All right, 475. Cheers to you, man. Enjoy the day, and thanks for coming back. 791 on the site. All right, cheers and beers. Don't know where he was, but he was somewhere. He was somewhere in DX then.
775, Illinois is trying CQDX.
Hey, 1775, Land of Lincoln. We got a Q5 on you here. 791 waving from the Gulf Islands.